Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change your sound output to like fix the no sound detected on CapCut PC. So go to menu and go to the settings tab here, go to performance, and if you scroll down you'll see the sound output. Select the correct one. My one is this one actually, so I am on the right sound output, but if you're on the wrong one, make sure you've clicked the right one. Press save and also go to the volume button here. Select the, usually I can scroll down. Okay, select the sound output. Select the correct one as well. Scroll down and then here in volume mixer, make sure the volume is at 100 in CapCut. And that is it. That's how you can fix the now sound output detected. If you want to fix the sound input, select the record button and make sure you've also selected the correct microphone input. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.